discovering Lake Garda, the perfect vacation destination in Veneto, Italy. Welcome to Lake Garda, Italy's largest and most enchanting lake, nestled at the crossroads of three regions, Veneto, Lombardy, and Trentino Alto Adige. This video will take you on an immersive journey to explore the Veneto side of Lake Garda, a picturesque haven that combines natural beauty, historical richness, vibrant culture, and endless opportunities for recreation and relaxation. Whether you are seeking a romantic retreat, adventurous exploration, or a family-friendly escape, Lake Garda promises an unforgettable experience. Let's dive into the magic of this remarkable destination. Picture rolling hills draped in lush greenery, imposing cliffs standing guard over tranquil waters, and an endless horizon where blue skies meet the lake's shimmering surface. Lake Garda's Veneto side boasts a breathtakingly diverse landscape. Its gentle ambience makes it an ideal spot for leisurely adventures and serene reflection. As you stroll along its cobbled promenades, towns like Bardolino and Peschiera del Garda seem straight out of a storybook. These towns offer charming waterfronts, vibrant architecture, and scenic locations perfect for enjoying life's simple pleasures. From exhilarating boat rides across the crystal-clear waters to picturesque nature trails etched into the hills, visiting here creates an extraordinary connection with the serenity of Italian nature. Lake Garda is not just a destination, it's a journey through time. Its fascinating history dates back to ancient Rome, where emperors and patricians found solace on its shores. One of the most exciting historical landmarks is the Scaligero Castle in Sirmione. With its impressive turrets rising above emerald waters, it's a site where centuries-old tales come alive. Strolling through this medieval masterpiece, you can almost hear echoes of the past. Another captivating relic is the Roman villa in Desenzano, famous for its well-preserved floor mosaics. These intricate depictions of ancient life crafted over 2,000 years ago highlight the artistic brilliance of their creators. Whether you are exploring old fortresses or walking along ancient ruins, Lake Garda's Veneto side offers history aficionados an unparalleled introduction to Italy's cultural heritage. Cultural richness is woven into the fabric of Lake Garda. The Veneto side, in particular, thrives with vibrant traditions that bring the community together. Festivals and fairs breathe life into its streets, offering exciting opportunities to experience local customs. Picture yourself amidst a festival where colorful costumes swirl in traditional folk dances, accompanied by lively music that comes straight from the heart of Veneto. Many small towns host art galleries and artist workshops, allowing visitors to admire the creative soul of the region. You might even find yourself carrying back a piece of Lake Garda's artistry as a memento. Joining one of these cultural celebrations or simply exploring a local craftsman's studio will grant you a deeper sense of appreciation for Lake Garda's living traditions. Lake Garda is a playground for every kind of traveler. Whether you are drawn to outdoor adventures or seek serene escapes, this breathtaking destination delivers on every front. On the water, options abound, sailing across the lake, paddleboarding towards secluded coves, or even embarking on an energetic windsurfing session if you're up for an adrenaline rush. For those keen on exploring by land, the Veneto side offers plenty. Hikers can enjoy trails that weave through lush vineyards and olive groves, offering panoramic lake views along the way. Cyclists will relish the scenic routes that loop around the lake, perfect for a family outing. For thrill seekers, paragliding off nearby cliffs provides an exhilarating way to experience Lake Garda from above. But the fun doesn't stop there. Couples will find romantic activities like sunset boat cruises and private wine tours, while families can delight in child-friendly attractions, including water parks and interactive museums that make learning fun. The Veneto side of Lake Garda is as much a feast for the taste buds as it is for the eyes. Italian cuisine reigns supreme here, with every meal offering a blend of traditional techniques and local ingredients. From handmade pasta dishes drizzled in rich, savory sauces to authentic Italian pizzas baked to perfection, there's no shortage of culinary delights. One of the region's specialties is freshly caught lake fish, seasoned with herbs and paired exquisitely with locally produced olive oil. And food is only part of the story. Wine enthusiasts will revel in the flavors of Bardolino's signature offerings. Famous for its bold red wines, Bardolino invites you to sip on vintages crafted with passion and expertise while enjoying the serene beauty of a vineyard setting. For dessert, a creamy scoop of gelato enjoyed on a sunny terrace with a lake view is simply a must-try experience. While Lake Garda offers plenty of opportunities for exploration and adventure, it is equally a destination for those seeking serenity and self-care. The Veneto side is home to numerous wellness retreats designed to help you relax and rejuvenate. Imagine starting your morning with yoga by the lake or indulging in an afternoon of therapeutic spa treatments. One of the standout features of this area is the natural thermal springs near Sirmione. These springs have been renowned for their healing properties for centuries, and modern visitors can enjoy them in luxurious spa settings. Whether it's soaking in mineral-rich waters or unwinding in a peaceful thermal bath, your mind and body will thank you for pausing to embrace these rejuvenating experiences. In the smaller villages, the tranquil rhythm of life adds to this sense of retreat. Unhurried and calm, these hidden corners seem designed to help you find your inner peace amidst a setting of unparalleled beauty. One of Lake Garda's greatest gifts is its ability to welcome every type of traveler. For families, it offers spacious beaches, kid-friendly resorts, and numerous activities to keep the youngest members entertained. Couples will find a place brimming with romance. Scenic sunsets, secluded hideaways, and intimate wine-tasting sessions create endless moments to cherish. Solo travelers will thrive here too, immersed in the serene surroundings of the Veneto side. Whether it's the peacefulness of exploring an ancient ruin alone or the invigorating challenge of hiking a lakeside trail, solitude at Lake Garda feels like an invitation to reconnect with yourself. With a range of accommodation options including cozy bed and breakfasts, luxurious lakefront hotels, and even affordable camping spots, the Veneto side of Lake Garda allows every traveler to find their perfect place to stay. Planning your visit to Lake Garda's Veneto side is as exciting as the destination itself. Accessibility is one of the key highlights. Travelers can conveniently reach this area by train, car, or via nearby airports like Verona. Once you arrive, navigating the lake's towns and attractions is simple, with frequently available public transportation and ferry services connecting key locations. The best time to visit Lake Garda depends on what you seek. If you love warm weather and lively crowds, the summer months offer plenty of sunshine and buzz. For a quieter charm with cooler temperatures, consider visiting in the spring or fall when the region blooms with colors and exudes tranquility. To make the most of your trip, start with a few days exploring Bardolino and Peschiera del Garda. Add a relaxing boat ride to your itinerary and an afternoon of discovery at the Scalagero Castle to immerse yourself in the regional history. Don't forget to leave room for indulging in a wine tour and sampling Bardolino Reds for the complete Lake Garda experience. Lake Garda's Veneto side is far more than a destination. It's a sensory journey that will touch your heart and soul. From the awe-inspiring beauty of its natural scenery to the echoes of its historical heritage, every moment here is a treasure waiting to be uncovered. Its vibrant cultural scenes, world-class cuisine, and opportunities for leisure or adventure make it one of the most versatile vacation spots in Italy. So why wait? Let Lake Garda take you on an unforgettable adventure that blends the best of Italian life with the timeless charm of nature and history. Pack your bags, plan your trip, and prepare to fall in love with one of Italy's greatest gems. The beauty, history, and magic of Lake Garda are just a journey away.